What are we doing?
Winnie the Pooh! Look, Mama, look! I'm excited! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday! Ooh. We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious! Printed bear!
Beware, beware.
Ones and twos, but it rains, so choose those to see them multiply.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh! Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is.
The wonderful thing about Tiggers is taking the birthday present.
YouTube thinks you will like this video right here. So do what it says. Click here for more.